Hi, my name is Joaquin and I'm the paid media executive here at Koozai. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how you can set your events as a priority in Facebook Ads Manager. And the reason you want to be doing this is because with the new update that has come out for Apple, there have been a few changes to Facebook. And what this means is that certain users have opted out of being tracked across apps and websites. And the only thing that if a user does choose to not be tracked, you should set a highest priority event so that in the case that this event is still triggered, that event will still be attributed to your ads. And it's actually a really simple process to do this. You don't need to do too much to get this sorted. So the best thing that you need to do here is to go to Resource Center, and you might find this little thing that says tasks, and you might find one option that says verify your website domain. And in order to do this, you need to go to your business tools here on the left-hand side and go to Events Manager for your page. Now, once you've done this, you will see a section that will come up with all your data sources. It will say your pixels here on the side, and you will be able to select one of the tabs on there that will help you change or verify your domain. Now, once you're here, you need to go to scroll down a bit where it says Pixel Conversion API. Next to it, there's this tab here that's called Aggregated Event Measurement. Now, if you click on here, it might ask you to confirm your domain, but then once you've done that, you need to click on Configure Web Events. Here we go. So here we are with Koozai. It tells us that our domain has been verified. And once it has been verified, you need to click on here, and then you need to go to Manage Events. So we've already set some up. However, I'm going to show you what you can do. So this is the list of the priority events that you may have on your website and on Facebook. And you can make this as long as you want, but you need to make sure that your final end goal is at the highest priority. So for the moment, we are trying to get submit application as our highest priority event. So that means that if a user has chosen not to be tracked across websites and across applications, if they still submitted an application on our website, that application event will still be attributed to the ad regardless. However, if they only achieved an earlier point in the process, let's say they just arrived on the page, they filled in their details, but they didn't press submit, that ad will not have the attribution for those events. So it's really important to make sure you set these up. So as you can see, these are set to highest priority and lowest priority. You might not see anything here, but what you need to do is click on Add Event here on the right. Now you add an event and it should place a new field here, and you can choose what pixel you want to use, and then you can choose the event. So whether this is a purchase, a lead, it will give you a few other options such as add payment info or add to cart, add to wish list. But you need to make sure that you're setting your highest priority at the top. So let's say you're running an e-commerce site, purchase should be your highest priority, probably followed by checkout initiated or add to cart, and then the list will go down. Obviously, your lowest priority would probably be a page view. So let's say, for example, we want to set purchase, even though we don't really have any purchases for our website. But what you do is you select it and then you click submit. Now, once you click submit, these changes might take about 72 hours for them to come into effect. So we really recommend getting this right the first time and making sure that it's all done for the first time, that you have your highest priority set as your final event goal. Now, I hope this helps. Hopefully this should make it a bit easier for you to understand what's happening with all these changes. But if you need more information, do check out our blogs on our website.